guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a small haul. I'll be showing few earrings which I got from Bhuleshwar market, and before wearing them I just thought of making this video. Firstly because they are very affordable. Secondly, it's like I bought it from a local shops. It's like supporting local vendors. And third, I really wanted to share this video, so that's the reason. And if you want to know all the earrings, like the things which I've purchased, then please keep watching. So the very first earring which I want to show, okay, these are the most of the earrings which I have purchased is exactly the shop which is opposite Khao Gali. So Bhuleshwar market में ना एक छोटी सी Khao Gali, उसके सामने exactly there's a small shop which is an open shop, and this man has a lot of earrings. In case I get a number of his, I'll just put it into a description box so you can even contact him. And he sells amazing Western as well as Indian ethnic earrings. So जब भी मुझे इयरिंग्स लेनी होती है ना, मैं मोस्टली उनके शॉप पे जाती हूँ. सो दिस टाइम माई मूड वॉज मोर टूवर्ड्स एथनिक. आई डोंट नो वाई, प्रोबेबली दैट आई हैव गेन्ड वेट, दैट I start loving wearing kurtis because you don't have to think a lot. You just have to put a legging or jeans and wear your kurti. And with kurtis, I like to wear ethnic earrings a lot, apart from hoops. So that's the reason of me visiting Bhuleshwar market. So this is the first earring which I got from that shop, and this is for 140 rupees. You can see the detailing of the peacock is very nice. Like, it's not cheap and it's not that heavy as well. So बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ऑक्सीडाइज्ड कलर है, पिकॉक है, lot of detailing is there, and for 140 rupees I can't ask for more, so it's very beautiful. Now let's just talk about the second earring which I got from him. Now this one is more towards like, इसको आप कुर्ती पे भी पहन सकते हैं. Apart from that, you can even wear this on western attire. This one is for 190 rupees. I was little fishy about getting this because it's only for it was 190, and I was thinking like 150 के ऊपर कुछ पे नहीं करूँ मैं. But then I thought कि ये पता है गाउन्स और कुर्ती सब पे जाएगा, and detailing is so simple and so beautiful, so I got this. It's really beautiful, and it's very delicate also. As I said, this is for 190. Now coming towards the third earring, which is more towards like jhumka, and this one is again for 140 rupees, and this is how it looks. Very beautiful. I love the detailing of like कि मम्मी लोग बाली पहनती थी, मुझे याद है, प्लेन बाली होती थी ऐसे गोल्ड या सिल्वर्स की, वैसे बाली में नीचे झुमका है, एंड ऐसे पर्ल्स लगे हैं, विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. Just a second, I'll just wear and show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks. This jhumki, it's so beautiful, so elegant, like plain black kurti या कुछ भी ऐसे बहुत प्यारा है. I would say it's very beautiful and very reasonable, and it's not that heavy as well. It looks heavy, but it's not that heavy. Now we'll head towards the another one. Now this is also one of, like, I love it. So in case if people don't know, then my favorite animal is elephant after dog. And the moment I saw this earring, I was in love. The price of this one is 130 rupees. ये 150-200 का भी होता ना, let me be very frank, I would have purchased this because the detailing of elephant is so beautiful. I hope it's visible. It's so pretty, like मुझे बहुत, and apart from that, even that छोटा सा झुमका नीचे and बीच में there's a detailing of something like कुछ टैंगले से लटक रहा है, like so pretty यार. So these were the things which were more towards oxidized, and apart from that, since I was there and I love hoops, I even saw this one. I was like, and it's for 110 rupees. I was like, I need to get this. I hope it's, just a second, visible hair. So yeah, this is so beautiful. I like the finish. It's little heavy, looks good quality. For 110 rupees, it was really worth. I even got one earring in golden finish. I like the detailing of this. Like, मुझे बहुत प्यारा सा लगा ये, बहुत like western as well as ethnic wear पे जाने वाला, and it matches with my watch. So yeah, I like to mix match. I don't like to mix match actually. I like to match my earrings with my watch. I presently don't have a silver watch, so I need to get one, but then I like to do that. So yeah, this is with, like, it will match with my watch. So yeah, and also I got a Mangal Sutra. This is only for 90 rupees. I know few people are like gold pen, but I am like, I like different Mangal Suits and I like experimenting. So yeah, this for 90 rupees. I was like, it's a pure steel. I hope you can see the detailing of the locket. It's so beautiful, very pretty, बहुत प्यारा था, and that too for 90 rupees. I'm like, I need to get my hands on this. I like such delicate Mangal Sutras a lot. Now coming towards another purchase, like this is a shop. The moment you enter in Bhuleshwar market, एक right hand side corner में एक there's a person. Let me just get more comfortable, guys. Yeah. So I was saying there's a shop. वो रास्ते पे लगाते हैं ठेला, and he sells very like extremely oxidized jewelries, and I got 2 necklaces from him. One is this. As you guys, I believe you guys can see, it's very pretty. I don't have such necklaces. I have noticed that, and I don't know अभी मुझे recently क्या हो रहा है that I'm gravitating a lot towards oxidized earrings and necklaces. So I got my hands on this, and this is for 200 rupees. So अच्छा लगा मुझे, बहुत प्यारा pattern है. I'm like I can wear it on some kurti and all. I have not, to be frank, I've never dressed up. I guess I can even wear it with like if I'm wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, उस पर भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So yeah, you can even dress it up with western attire. So don't restrict yourself. Mix and match. Fusion is beautiful. So do that. Now the second one is little expensive. This one was 300 rupees because he said because some different metal and all. But then I like the design, so I got it. And it even came with earrings. So yeah, I'll just show the earring to you. This is the necklace. It's so beautiful. It's so simple कि मुझे लगा यार it's very pretty. I should get my hands. Though it's for 300 rupees, but it's worth. And online तो these things are more expensive, let me be very frank. Then why not just shop local and support those people? So yeah, it's very beautiful. And I even got earrings with them, though I won't be wearing with them. Like वो खुद भी थोड़ा heavy earrings, तो मैं इनको separately ही पहनना पसंद करूँगी, not with that, because you know I am that person जो गले पे और कान में दोनों में heavy एक साथ सब नहीं पहन सकता. So I want this to be like either delicate or this to be delicate. I'm that person. So yeah, this is the earring. And this one, as I said, was for 300 rupees. Now the last shop which I went was like randomly I went because मैंने सोचा छोटे छोटे hoops ले लूँ, because छोटे छोटे studs ले लूँ, because I'm a big fan of them, wearing every day. But then I saw this piece and I was like, I need it. Though it's little expensive. This one is for 250. इसके बाद वाला भी थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट देन बहुत प्यारा था. आई कुडंट रेजिस्ट. एंड इन केस यू डोंट नो, देन आई लव हूप्स, एंड हूप्स विद पर्ल्स इज़ लाइक माई फेवरेट कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक hoops, pearls and stones as well. So I was like, I need to get this. So this is how the design is, and if you'll wear it, it will look like this. So it's very pretty. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. मैं इसकी भी शॉप का डाल दूँगी आपको. जो शॉप मैंने फर्स्ट बताई ना आपको, उसके जस्ट एडजेसेंट है ये शॉप. तो या very pretty, very pretty. I hope it's visible. Yeah, so बहुत ही pretty. Now the second one, I don't own any earring like this, but I've seen many people wearing it, and this one is for 300 rupees. So I really like this, and I thought ये Indian as well as western दोनों, ethnic as well as western दोनों पे जाएगा. So this is how it looks. Very pretty. I like the detailing. I like this chain. मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा लगा. And for 300, I thought it's actually a steal. It's not expensive. So I got my hands, and amazing. And I just saw that it's made in China. But then ठीक है. Now the last, the reason why I went to that shop was studs. So these are like 30. एक 30 का था, एक 20 का था, because of the sizes. I don't think so I will be able to show it to you because ये बहुत ही छोटे हैं. So I just hope ये है छोटू सा क्यूट सा. एंड इससे छोटा वाला was for 20. I'll just show that also, ताकि आजू बाजू में दिखा दूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए. छोटू वाला, this one is for 20 and this one is for 30. But these are very good quality. So yeah, that's it. That was my small haul. I thought of making this because you know, Bhuleshwar is a great market in case you're looking for earrings and jewelries and churis and all. I did my majority of shopping, like jewelries, in case of jewelries and bangles, from Bhuleshwar market, because they have a good collection. They have trendy collection. They have everything for your budget. Like whatever your budget is, there is something for you. So that's the reason I love Bhuleshwar market. And presently I'm staying at Dahisar, so I miss town, and moreover it, I miss Bhuleshwar market because इतनी अच्छी deals मिल जाती थी वहाँ पे. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do thumbs up. And in case you stay in town, or in case you love Bhuleshwar market, you have been there, just leave a heart in the comment section. Like अगर आप भुलेश्वर मार्केट में जा चुके हो, शॉपिंग कर चुके हो, या फिर आजू बाजू कहीं रहते हो, जैसे हार्ट comment section में डाल देना. That's it. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are there in the description box. At the last, I say take care and stay pretty.